Scale degrees are another tool that we have to give us a very precise map of the contours of a melody. And let's investigate that with an actual melody. Let's come back to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And let's map out this melody using scale degrees. So we start on C, which is scale degree 1. And we repeat that, so another scale degree 1. Then we go up to G, which is scale degree 5. And then we repeat that. Then we go up to A, which is scale degree 6. And repeat that. And then we come back down to G, which is scale degree 5. So we have, in the first 4 bars of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we have 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5. Going on from there, we go down to F, which is scale degree 4, and we repeat that. Down to scale degree 3, and we repeat that. Down to scale degree 2 on the D, and then ending up on the C, back on scale degree 1. So if I go back to the beginning of these 8 measures, I have 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. And this gives us yet another way of mapping out the contours of a particular melody. Now, you may not think in this context that this is particularly useful, but here's where scale degrees are going to become incredibly useful, because pretty soon we're not just going to be dealing with melodies or scales that start and end on C. Any one of the 12 white or black notes of the piano keyboard can become the first scale degree, can become the tonic. That's gonna be the subject of an entire series of videos we have coming up. But I could start on my scale degree 1 on an E flat. And go 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Or I could start on a G. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Or an E. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now, we don't know everything that we need to know yet to make use of that, but that's just a little preview of what is coming up a little bit later. Something else I'd just like to take a look at, too. Remember, we were talking about the idea of the tonic being sort of our home base, the note to which all the other notes are drawn. Well, notice our tonic, again, scale degree 1, we start on scale degree 1, and we start on our tonic here at the beginning. And then we end on the tonic here at the end, going back to scale degree 1. And notice what happens, and I'll again, for just effect, add a little bit of harmony. Notice what happens if I stop short of that tonic note, if I stop, say, on the scale degree 2 that's in measure 7. And I'm going to stop there. And what happens? It feels like it's incomplete. And it's not just incomplete because we know this tune. It's incomplete because it doesn't feel like we've gotten back to home until we get back to the tonic. Now it feels like we're back home. We'll be revisiting scale degrees in a lot of detail when we come to transposition and moving through the keys in later videos. But this gives you a little preview of what's going to be coming up soon.